Hi, I'm Ask Joe, your how-to home improvement expert with Del Air. I'm answering questions today about aluminum wiring in Orlando. You may have seen me on TV, and also Del Air Electrical is WFTV's Ask the Expert. I'm a certified air conditioning, electrical, plumbing, and general contractor. I answer all your questions on my Facebook page at facebook.com/AskJoe.Delair. When choosing an electrician to change your aluminum wiring in Orlando, here's a few very important tips you want to keep in mind. First of all, make sure the contractor is fully licensed. You want a master electrician taking care of changing your wiring out. Make sure that electrical contractor pulls a permit. You want to make sure the work is done safely, per the National Electrical Code, and you have a third-party inspector coming in inspecting all the work, making sure it's properly done, and you're safe at your house. You want to make sure that every electrician working on your job is thoroughly background checked. You do not want to have a criminal working in your house. Also, the company you choose should be in good standing with the Better Business Bureau. More importantly than all, make sure you hire an electrical contractor who's a large company that's been in business for years. They're going to be here to take care of you. You do not want to hire an electrician, a small guy who's in a truck, who's only been in business a year or two. He goes out of business, and he's going to leave you hanging. Be diligent. Do your homework and shop around. And hopefully these tips will help you make all the right decisions. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. I invite you to join my Facebook page at facebook.com/AskJoe.Delair. And I'll be glad to answer any question you have. Just come to my wall, post a question, and you'll get an answer. Also, by liking on my Facebook page, you'll get the Del Air special offers that we have for all your heating, air conditioning, electrical, solar, and security needs. So please don't miss out. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.